Now that we know how to walk, then explain me these three stupid looking. The three objects that you see here in the screen are called objects. Each object has their own properties or purpose. This is a cube, and this is a camera, and the last is called point light. The cube is the foundation of your creation, but it's up to you on what kind of shape are you going to use for the foundation of your creation. The purpose of the camera is to show you the render perspective of the finished rendered output. By clicking the render tab and selecting the render image, or by pressing F12, you'll be able to see the rendered image. The point light's purpose is to give light on its surroundings. It behaves like a real light, and there are four types of light: point light, sunlight, spotlight, area light. Point light is basically a spear light because it emits light in every way possible. Sunlight is self-explanatory. Spotlight emits round shape light on the object, mostly used when emphasizing or giving the object some spotlight. Area light emits rectangular shape light on the object, mainly used for highlighting a specific scene, or it's up to you on how you're going to utilize every light object.